Hello, friends. It's great to be back with you again. Let us see what Samartha Ramdas Swami has said in his 128th shloka. Mana vasana vasudevi vasode mana kamana kamasangi nasode mana kalpana वाउगी तेन कीजे मना सज्जना सज्जनी वस्ति कीजे. O my mind, let all desires dwell in God. Drive all your desires away from the sensual quests. Stay away from fantasies. Be honorable by keeping in the company of the saintly people. In the last shloka, Samartha Ramdas Swami told us to get engrossed in the name and stories of God. We all know that for all of us who are common people and not saints, it is natural to have various desires, wishes, feelings, and attachments. It is the nature of human beings. So, in this shloka, Samartha Ramdas Swami tells the minds of people like us about what it should do and what it should not do. Vasana refers to the past impressions in our minds that influences behavior. They can be good or bad. They are the habitual or automatic response to various situations we come across. They are the ingrained patterns of behavior. They are the desires based on the impressions in our memory. They create restlessness in the mind and attachments to the objects of desire. In order to remove these obstacles and attachments, it is best to divert these vasanas instead to focus on God. We need to think whether the same desire would be appropriate if it was for God. We need to focus on devotion towards God. Kamana are the desires, wishes, ambitions which we have. They can be the result of the vasanas. All good desires, wishes, and ambitions are good to have. They take us on the right path. But if these desires are turning towards lust, then they are going to be the enemy of our mind. We need to stay away from lust and also from any desires which are evil, which will hurt others, or are to have something which belongs or should belong to others. Whatever we wish, we should not indulge in fantasies, or we should differentiate between that something which is achievable and that which is completely impractical. If we try to do all these on our own, it might be hard to achieve. Hence, we should be in the company of the saintly people. But it is not possible for every one of us to be in the company of the saintly people physically all the time in the current busy world. But there are ways to get around that. We can make use of the technology which is available to all of us, all the social media, YouTube, Instagram, podcasts, documentaries on the lives of saintly people and their teachings. You can think of various ways available and try to spend as much time as practical in learning from those. Our minds are experts in mimicking the behavior of those with whom we spend most of our time. This happens without our knowledge automatically. We only realize that when it becomes extremely obvious to everyone. So, why not use this human behavior in a better way by engaging with all the positive spiritual thoughts, which then automatically will help in achieving all of the above? Having devotion towards God, staying away from bad desires, and keep ourselves sane. Friends, if you liked this explanation, feel free to provide your feedback and do like, share, and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ